Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial about the use of the questions one, which is when in English, and wie oft, which is how often in English, in the German sentences and questions, specifically in describing the routine activities in German. Do write your comments in the comments section. Now in this tutorial, I am going to introduce to you a new grammar. Oh yes, the perfect tense. The perfect tense is formed in the German language with some two verbs, sein, which is to be, and the verb haben, which is to have, and then comes past participle form of the verb. In order to understand how the perfect tense is formed, please check my tutorial 6 part 1 on the conjugation of the verb sein, which is to be in English, and also check my tutorial 11 part 1 on the conjugation of another verb haben. So let's have a look. So the first way in which the perfect tense is formed in the German language is using the verb haben with the main verb, and that main verb gets a T at the end. Studieren, studiert. Studieren is to study, but when it is used in the perfect tense, the right conjugated form of the verb haben is used and studieren changes to studiert. In the same way, bestellen, which is to order, becomes bestellt. Fotografieren, which is to photograph, becomes fotografiert. Funktionieren, to function, becomes funktioniert. But these forms of the main verb will have before them the right conjugated form of the verb haben. So what I mean by that is better understood with an example, as you can see here. So the first example shows the present tense. So what is going on now? Die Studenten studieren an der Universität. The students are studying at the university. So this sentence not only shows the present tense form, but it is also showing the use of the dative case, because this sentence shows where the students are studying. Not only the preposition an is used, but the university is a feminine noun in the German language, so it is actually die Universität, but D changes to der, because this sentence is describing the location. The students are studying where? At the university. Now this shows the present tense, but if we want to show the perfect tense, die Studenten haben an der Universität studiert. Now this sentence makes use of the right conjugated form of the additional verb that is used in the perfect tense apart from the main verb. In the same way, all the other verbs that I've showed you will be used in the perfect tense in the sentences. Moving on. Now the second way to form the perfect tense is using the right conjugated form of the verb, which is haben once again, but the infinitive form of the verbs that you can see in this table will not just have a T at the end, but they can also end with ET, and these verbs get GE at the beginning. So machen, which is to do, becomes gemacht. So haben in the right conjugated form plus the verb changing from the infinitive form to gemacht. Wohnen, to reside or to live, gewohnt. Kaufen, to buy, gekauft. Suchen, to search, gesucht. Kochen, to cook, gekocht. Lernen, to learn, gelernt. Arbeiten, gearbeitet. Arbeiten is to work. Kosten, to cost, gekostet. Warten, to wait, gewartet. What I mean by forming the perfect tense with the right conjugated form of haben and the right forms of these verbs is better understood through this example. But this time I'm showing you in a question. So present tense question, perfect tense question. From the verb suchen, which is to search, suchst du Arbeit? Are you searching for work? But hast du Arbeit gesucht? Have you searched for work? So this shows the perfect tense. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 2 of this tutorial, in which I will show you some more German verbs in the perfect tense. Thank you.